Let's say the pole of the automotive industry is here in May every year. So for us, it's the best occasion we have to show up.
This is our claim in general, innovation for a better society, and this is what we show every day to our customer and mainly in this booth.
This device is capable of measuring temperature, pressure, humidity, CO2, air quality. It has an onboard IMU, very precise. Let's say you want to control a drone, for example, that's perfect.
Wow, what an exciting day!
We met fascinating partners,
And this is just the beginning!
so wait for new things to come.